Well, good morning everyone, and as you can see, it's an early one. It's still bloody dark. So first thing, I hope you all had a very nice Christmas with your families. We've still got New Year's Eve to come. Oh, somebody else up early. So what we're doing today, bit of a special one. I am meeting up with Steve and Nick, Mr. Ice Diddy. You know him, he comes out with us every now and then when he hasn't got a tip run or a shopping run, when he's doing all those horrible things. And then we are heading off towards that CTL Moto Cafe again, where we are going to meet up with somebody else, another motovlogger from up in the Midlands, and all will be revealed when we get up there.
Well, good morning and welcome back. It is 29th of December. It is 10 to 7. Currently 3 degrees, so that's not too bad. And we are off to Sherborne to meet up with Nige, Toz 29, Nick, Ice Diddy, and then we are heading up to CTL Caf to meet Derek, Solo Moto UK. I don't know if you can see, but I've changed my headlights, upgraded them. Like a candle in the wind. Yeah, I've just gone for the 200% brighter bulbs. Didn't want to lash out for LED conversion kit. We've got about an hour to run, so I'm hoping not everyone's back to work yet. Should make the run a little bit easier. Right, the petrol station should be up here. Right. Let's see if I'm the first here.
Excellent. Never mind. My top box is shut, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. And you're recording at the back.
Can we go out this one, or is that just an in? Fuck it.
We're going out this way, so
we can do what we like, can't we?
One coming.
Oh shit, yeah.
Cool, they don't fucking hang about up through here, do they?
No.
In a 30. Oh, right. Bloody hell. I got now a phone call, hang on.
Got what?
He's got a phone call.
Already?
I reckon they got a bloody motion tracker on his bike. Every time he gets going, they fucking ring him.
Either that or he's just been an ignorant bastard.
Well, we can't hear it, so he could be using that as an excuse like, fuck it, I've had enough already.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm talking to them two pricks. I got a phone call.
I'm not being funny, but he fucking invites us, so...
Yeah, so he can cold shoulder us.
Yeah, he just invites us out for abuse, doesn't he?
Yeah. Now, you see, what he'll do is he'll finish his phone call and then he'll carry on listening in as if he's still on his phone call, pretending.
See, so they always phone me, even this time of the fucking morning.
You've got him down to a T, Nick. It wasn't very nice coming over this morning in the pitch black.
No, that's what it was.
All them bright lights.
Now,
I hate
that's
LED
either
lights.
It's either a very, very low, bright sun behind me, or it's those new headlights.
Can't even fucking see them. They're definitely a bit whiter than what the other yellow ones were.
A bit whiter. They're 25. They're 25 quid whiter. No, it did make a difference this morning.
That's the sort of argument you have with your missus over the fucking colour of the paint, isn't it?
Yeah.
Egyptian cotton or natural Hessian?
Wonder if the cows will be out on the road again this morning.
Oh, that'd be nice.
You sound like me this morning, Nick.
Come round the corner and smack into one of them.
Now, it's quite possible I'm going to be coughing more than Steve today.
Oh, I was coughing like a bloody good one last night.
I cannot get rid of this bastard cough.
Lung cancer, expect.
If it's any consolation,
Look on the bright
well,
side.
if it's any consolation, Nick, you get used to it.
Yeah, that's what you do.
That's it. I've been coughing like that for bloody years.
What I ought to do is go and sit in the cinema just to annoy people.
Oh, yeah.
No, you got to sit in there and go.
Look at him. Hunting that car down.
I like it. You reckon he's an optician? Look at his number plate.
I can't read it from here.
Aye. EYE.
Oh, is it? EYE. I really should have put my glasses on, but...
I mean, he's got SL03, slob eye.
Slow eye.
That's a nice big hole.
Steady on, sailor.
I was quite disappointed that Noise didn't point that bloody great hole out for me. I want me money back.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. Your fucking headlights are interfering with your signal. Oh, look, we have a bit of curvature to the right.
We do. I bet your tyre's sighing relief now, isn't it?
Oh, a bit of edge rubbing. I will use these outside edges.
You will, yeah, quite.
Because this is still a boozer, isn't it? This one.
It is, yeah. This is where I brought my NT out on its test run.
Oh, was it? Oh, I brought. Remember, I went up and tried that triple black GS Adventure at Branson's.
Oh, yeah.
I brought that out here.
Oh, no.
You're clear. Clear.
Clear.
Still clear.
Thank you.
Yeah, this junction up here on the left where the chevrons are, I pulled in there to adjust the seat. But it just didn't feel right.
No.
Every corner you came to, it felt like it was going to fall over.
Really?
Would you take one out again? Just because that was like I say, the Adventure, the big tank, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Would you take us?
And as I said at the time, it was like being on top of a fat bird shagging her. You was always thinking you were going to fucking fall off. And the worst thing was not feeling you were going to fall off, was the fucking big fat thing landing on top of you.
Landing on top of you, yeah.
Again, just like shagging a fat bird.
Yeah.
But would you take the
Horrible
standard one
bastard.
out?
But more expensive than shagging a fat bird.
Will I take the standard one
Yeah.
out? I'm on a standard one now.
No, the 1300.
It's just so fucking ugly, isn't it?
Yeah. But
It doesn't look like a bike. It's like you'd be riding around on a fucking Decepticon or something.
Yeah.
but it does look small, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
That one we saw.
Are we talking about the bike or?
Whether
But
that's an
any bike
optical
looks small with
illusion.
Nige on it.
Hey. Yeah. Indicator Nige.
Hang on, it'll go. There we go. See, we don't even have to touch it.
There it is.
Yeah, let's see what this push bike's doing. I bet he's speeding.
Bound to be.
He's a bit of a trendsetter. Look, he got long white
He is very
socks on.
trendy.
Long white socks on.
Built like a fucking racing snake.
Yeah. Have some fumes. Yeah, breathe them bastards in.
I can see the laser fucking dot on the back of that van already.
I'm giving him the Chinese spotlights in his eyes, mate.
Yeah.
I was saying this morning on the way over that I can't believe how many people commute to work.
Yeah.
Oh
You
no.
know, especially coming out this way, you're in the middle of bloody nowhere, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'd have to leave quite early to walk to work.
I try not to mention it too often, but
But at least if you go the dual carriageway, if you walk in the fast lane, you'll get there quicker.
I fucking will. Probably by air ambulance. Yeah, I've always wanted a helicopter ride.
If I drop back a little bit further, that between me and Nige is my commute in the morning.
Is it?
Oh, it's Mark Perry.
Hello, Mark.
What makes you say that?
Clear.
Yep.
Hole.
Found it.
That's the one, Steve.
What's on with him?
I said, oh, hole, swerved it, and Steve went, ba-dum, straight through it.